Hello guys! In this video we'll be talking about all kinds of Excel password protection. So let's fire up Excel and create a new workbook. We'll be adding some information, my information, voila, important formulas, some random gibberish, okay. And we'll do a calculation of both of these cells and give it a nice style. Let's save this file, press Ctrl S. We'll save it on the desktop, give it a nice name, protection settings.xlsx. Click save. Voila, now we have the file. The first option is to go to Review and Protect Workbook. Keep others from making structural changes to your workbook, such as moving, deleting or adding sheets. That sounds about right. We can enter a password here. I'm going to type in admin and click OK. Re-enter the password, of course, admin, OK. And now the workbook is protected. This just means that you can't add extra sheets, that you can't remove sheets. A lot of the options are now disabled. So that's the protect workbook. You can unprotect it by typing the password again, and voila, you have all the options again. I'll add a second sheet now, rename it to second sheet, and we're gonna protect the workbook again. Type in admin, okay, admin, okay. And as you can see, we can no longer add or modify the main structure of the Excel file. You can, however, type in some content in the cells. This is all possible, but the general structure is now locked. The second way is a bit hidden. You have to go to Info, and there's another Protect Workbook section. If you click on it, you can see Encrypt with Password. Requires a password to open this workbook. Let's type in admin, click OK, re-enter the password. OK. And if you now save the workbook and close it, we'll reopen the file and type in a fake password. Blah 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 blah. Click OK. The password you supplied is not correct. Okay, and as you can see, Excel is not opening the file. So this is a different kind of password protection with which you can't even see the contents of the file. However, once you open the file and type in the correct password, you are able to just do about anything. You can add some sheets, you can add extra information. The structure and the contents are no longer protected once you enter the correct password. There is, however, another option in Excel, but for that I need to create a new workbook. Let's type in my information v2. And now we have to go to the Save As functionality. So click on File, go to Save As, okay. We will save it on the desktop and use the name Protected Workbook. And now you have to go to the Tools part next to the Save button. Click on it and you have the General Options. Click on that. And here you can say a password to open, but also a password to modify. So I'm gonna type in admin and admin, and let's click OK and see what that does. We'll have to re-enter the passwords again, of course, just to be sure. Click OK, and now we can save the workbook. Save. Okay. Let's close this and reopen it again. You're prompted again with the password, we'll type it in, click OK. But now we have to enter a password for write access or open read only. Let's click on read only. As you can see, you can still modify the file, but it's read only. So if we want to save it, then we will just get a warning that you can't save it because it's read only. This is a good alternative to share files but not allow any modifications. So you can save it. If you reopen it and of course type in a wrong password, it doesn't open at all. And if you reopen it and you type in both correct passwords, you can do whatever you want. You can open it, view it, modify it, and the file is all yours. So I think these are all very nice features. There's a lot of flexibility built in, you can do a lot of things. But before we finish this video, I'll quickly show you how to remove the passwords again. So just type in the correct passwords and go to File, Info, Protect Workbook. Go to the encrypted password option again and just remove the password and click OK. You can now save the file and close it. And when you reopen it, you will see that there is no longer a password to open the file, but still to modify the file. So you can remove that one as well. And now simply go to File, Save As, and overwrite the file that you are working on. Go to Tools, General Options, remove the password to modify as well, click OK, save it. Yes, we want to replace it. And now you can just save this workbook and close it. And once you open it again, there will be no passwords left at all. So now you know the different kinds of password possibilities in Microsoft Excel. You can play with it. There's a lot of flexibility. I hope you like this information and you like my videos. If you do, consider subscribing to the channel. There will be plenty more. And as always, have a nice day.